Hey, let me show you 3 methods how we can change icon size on the Redmi Note 15. So the first option, you can just click and hold the empty space on your home screen. Now go to the settings of your home screen and go into the more settings. Now you have the home screen layout. If you pick 4:6, for example, as you can see, icons are much bigger. If you go 5:9, they are much smaller. So that's up to your preferences. Another method will be available when you open the display settings by going to the additional settings. You have to open the accessibility, or there was the clarity mode. No, it was actually the accessibility. We have to go for the vision, and here we have to go for the display size. As you can see, here we can find the icons. So there's the another example, and they are smaller. Right now, of course, we have to apply those changes. So when we click on this switcher and click OK, icons will become smaller, everything will become smaller. And now I will go back to the large one because I really enjoy this one to get everything big on my screen. And the last option that we can actually do is to open the About phone, keep tapping on the OS version really quickly to enable the developer options. And now we have to go to the additional settings and we have to go for the developer options. Right now we have to find the DPI settings, so it should be available almost at the bottom of the screen. So scroll like this, and now we are searching for this DPI settings. So it's over here, and now take a look. If you pick, for example, the 500 and click OK, take a look. The UI has changed, and icons also a little bit. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. That's how we can make those changes. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.